So this next Whakatane is called Game of Life.
I don't like it that much because Maisey wrote it about me. About a couple of years ago I used to just lock myself in my room and play PlayStation the whole day, and she ended up writing a song about it.
So yeah, in short, the song is just about getting off your backside and getting back into the game of life. Showed us how the world goes by. There ain't nobody home on the street. He's not alone. Another ways, descendants of the chiefs. Their blood had told them to this land where we now live as slaves. He's found that empty space, a chronic heaven tears escape. I see it in our kids, the remnants of the leaders we were. I'm so sick of being all over, losing faith in my minister. Another place, I can see right through you, see the light that shines through. What I'm waiting for, getting behind me, help me open them doors, satisfy my cause. Another ways, come sharing this game of life. Let love say what's left behind. Nowhere too high. Another ways, come sharing this game of life. Let love say what's left behind. Nowhere too high. Another way. Thank you very much.